Hi guys, it's Stephen Daniel Kakmak here from McConnell Bourne. Today we're here to shine the spotlight on the Artarmon apartment market for the calendar year so far. Now this has been a question on everyone's lips because of what's been happening obviously with the COVID pandemic. What sort of impact did that have on the Artarmon marketplace? Now look, the results might actually be rather surprising. So far this year, Artarmon apartments and townhouses have had a total of 31 sales. Now that's down 26% from last year. Last year we saw 42 sales. So stock levels are way down. Everyone probably knew that. In fact, of those 31 sales, only 2 of them were townhouses. Now the average sale price, surprisingly, has fared better. The first 6 months of this year, the average sale price in Artarmon apartments was at $969,000, whereas this same 6 month period last year was at $888,000.
Which is up just under 10%.
Yeah, so
right?
that's huge. Now, look, obviously the last couple of weeks has been a little bit more turbulent. There's been some surprise sales, unfortunately not for the better. Some of these properties have been going sort of lower into the 800s. It potentially could be a sign of things to come because although we've fared very well throughout this COVID pandemic, obviously towards the end of this year when the stimulus runs out, a lot of investment properties may be the first ones to come onto the market, with investors looking to offload those to release some equity for debt as opposed to their
the biggest concern is people are forecasting that there's going to be a glut of apartments coming onto the market with the stimulus ending and a lot of properties hitting the market. If that happens and we're hit with this oversupply and also people who can't actually complete on off the plan purchases as well, there'll be a lot of those coming back on the market as well. So if you had any further questions around what we think is going to happen in the Artarmon property market, or if you just wanted to discuss your own property goals, feel free to reach out. Otherwise, we look forward to sharing more valuable information as we progress.
Thanks and all the best.